Alright, y'all, in today's video, I'm going to be talking to my college people and how we can use college to build future wealth and how we can use college wisely. We have to make the right decisions in college. And I think the simplest way to do that is, do well in your classes and everything so you don't get underemployed, uh, because that's one of the problems that a bunch of people now in university are facing. And, don't party too hard. I think everybody's heard that. Uh, but I want to give a little bit of a more specific idea on how to take that into place and how to actually use your 4 years of college a little bit better. If y'all don't know, I'm currently incoming third year university student, so I finished 2 years and I have two more left. And I'm trying to use these 4 years to have fun, make friends, all that good stuff, but also do well in my classes and build a strong network so that after university, I can start, building up my wealth, using my network that I've built and all that good stuff. So you have to find that perfect balance between having fun, going to parties, football games, all that good stuff, and building your network up, meeting good people, and your actual skill and knowledge and what you end up doing. So choose a major that you find interesting, and from there, put that work in every single day to learn a little bit more about it and to do really well in your classes and start putting yourself in places where you can meet a bunch of other people. I focused on networking a few videos back and I started talking about why it's just as important as your classes. So, or not with as your classes, as your career, as your skill, or whatever you end up doing to make money. Your network is just as important as that. And college is an amazing opportunity to build this network up. You see so many people in your classes, you see so many people at the gym, maybe a whole bunch of people around you that, most of them have good ideas and good things that you might want to know or you might want to add to your own network and your own knowledge. So put yourself out there and meet a bunch of people within these 4 years, because that's probably just as important as doing well in your classes, because the combination of the skill you learn from your classes and everything that you're doing to try to build up your wealth, your network is probably going to help you get the opportunities to apply that skill. So that combination is probably the most important thing of success within college and success after college. So if you're spending the time and money in college in general, use it wisely, and you have to make the right decisions while you are in university if you want to be successful. Because if you waste 4 years and you don't have anything to show at the end of it, it's not the best. Because of course, it's always salvageable. You always can work hard and bring everything back. But these 4 years are definitely important and definitely useful. So use these 4 years wisely, especially if you're still in university or you're about to start university. It's a really good opportunity to focus on building your skill and your network. So today's video was just a little bit of motivation regarding that. Just want to come in here and talk a little bit about that college life. Make smart decisions in general. And yeah. Appreciate y'all watching today. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. A little bit of a short video today, I know, but it was just a quick little yap. But yeah, y'all have a good one. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all back here in the next one. Peace out.